guys, and welcome back to Nina's room. And as you all know, that 5th grade video that I was supposed to make, you know what? It was exactly supposed to be a month ago. I was supposed to make it on November 4th, and today's December 4th. So I was really busy that day, and I did not have school, and I was sick, and then I must have totally forgotten about it. Okay, I'll just ignore that noise. So we are going to be starting something new for school. So let's just forget about 5th grade. It's not going to happen anymore. Maybe some point of time I'll get back to it. Either in early March or late February, I'll probably make a new date for it to happen. So now we are going to be focusing on Nina's math show. Oh my gosh, did I forget the Clorox wipes downstairs? Okay, is there any? I'm pretty sure that I do have a paper towel or a napkin in my room. Here, give me 1 second. Seriously. I don't have anything to erase with. Alright, I'm gonna go find one. The only thing I could find was a tissue, so I guess that we're gonna have to use a tissue. Anyway, so Nina's math show. If you are gonna be in 4th, if you are live in England or something, and you're about to start 4th grade, this video will be good for you, because this is about division and multiplication. I am only in 3rd grade. Even though we haven't even started learning division yet, it is kind of very easy for me now. So I'm going to explain to you a strategy, because in 4th grade you're probably going to be doing long division. So let's just say that the problem was this, 20. So if you don't know how to make a divided sign, then this is how you make it. You draw a dot on the top line, and you see that middle line, you draw a line, and then another dot under it. Let's just say 20 divided by 4 equals blank. Alright, so that's what a divided sign looks like. So if the problem was, so the first thing that we're going to look at is the lower number. The second number. The second number will always be the lower number. So, we'll always look at the low number. And then it's just asking you how many groups of 4 do you need to get to 20? So if the problem was 2 divided by 2, you'd look at the next number and it'd say how many groups of 2 do you need to get to 2? Or if it was 20 divided by 5, it would be how many groups of 5 do you need to get to 20? That's a way of looking at it. Just in case you didn't know that strategy yet. I sound weird for some reason. It feels like my voice is coming out of my ear for some reason. Is it? Is my voice coming out of my ear? I guess not. So, whoa. So for subtraction, you could just do fact families, and if the problem was 12 minus 7, you'd do 7 plus 5, so the missing number would be 5. So if you took 4 times blank equals 20. So how many groups of 4 would you need to get to 20? How many groups of 4? So let's just count. I'm going to draw it on my whiteboard. So we have 4, 8, count on your fingers, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that means that there are 5 groups. So 20 divided by 4 equals 5. It's that simple. If you need to look back at that strategy, then you could rewind the video. I explained the I explained the strategy, but you have had to do multiplication before you do division, because then you wouldn't pretty much know your facts. All right, let's start with the multiplication problem. 8 times, you just draw a big X for the times sign. 8 times 6 equals blank. So, if you are in 2nd grade, then this will be a great video for you, because I already know, we already learned multiplication in 3rd grade, but we're still on it though. So you have to add 8 6 times, or you could either add 6 8 times or 8 6 times. Well, I would always do the greater number and the number of times that says the lower. So we're going to do 8 6 times. Okay, so let's do it. 8, 16, 24, 32. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4 times. Okay, 40, and then 48. Okay, let's count how many times I have now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what number do we land at, everybody? 48, that's right. So that means that 8 times 6 has to be 48. So if the problem was 2 times 2, you do 2 plus 2 2 times, which is 4. Okay, let's do a harder problem. 12 times 7 equals blank. So let's do the counting again. Okay, 12 7 times. 12, 24, 36, 48, I'm trying to figure this out. 60, 72. Let's count how many times we did it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, one more. Okay. 84. So what number do we land at, everybody? 84. So that means that 12 times 7 must equal 84. This strategy helps me a lot for multiplication, but if you have something different in mind, you could totally do it. It works either way. Actually, we're going to try a different strategy. We're going to try to do 7 12 times, to see if we get the same answer. Okay, so this is going to be a little bit harder. Okay, so 7, 14, 21, 28, 35. I just pretty much just like memorize them. 42, 49. What? Okay, how many times did I do it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, 7 times. Okay, 56. What does it equal? Oh, 63. 70. Let's see how many times. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, Oh wait, 9, 10. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. 77. We're at 77. And then we have to add 7 more. 84. We got the same answer. See, it works just fine if you do it flip-flopped. You could either do 7 12 times or 12 7 times. So we got the same exact answer as we did for 12 7 times. That's why I like that strategy, because you could do like whichever way you want and you get the same answer. Okay, so let's go back to division. Let's do 30 divided by 10. Let's do 30 divided by 10. So let's look. So we're supposed to remember the first step. We're supposed to look at the lower number first. So 10 is obviously the lower number. I mean, if you didn't know that, then you'd have to go back to preschool. Yeah, so it's just asking you how many groups. Oh my gosh, why is my hair so messy this morning? How many groups of 10 do you need to get to 30? Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and draw it on my whiteboard. Okay, so 10, 20, 30. That was easy. So let's count them up. 1, 2, 3. So that means that 30 divided by 10 equals 30. Wait, 3. I did not mean 30. I meant 3. This is why now that you watched my division video, you probably think that division and multiplication are so easy now. So that way 7th graders, when you go to 3rd grade, you don't even have to learn it. You could just say to Mrs. to your 3rd grade teacher, I already know all this stuff, and you could go up and tell her what what I did, and you can do all the strategies that I did. So okay, let's try another division problem. Can you guys think of any? 50. Let's do 50 divided by 5. Okay, 50 divided by 5 equals blank. Alright, so let's do the math. 5, 10, 15, 20. Guys, just ignore my hair. I should have brushed it before anyways, but I did brush it before. But I guess that brush doesn't work very well. Okay, anyways, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Let's count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 50 divided by 5 must equal 10. Just as known as 10 times 5 equals 50. Okay, so let's do it flip. Oh wait, no, that's not a multiplication sentence. Oh, crazy me. We can't do it flip-flopped with division. Alright, so let's do 9 times 8 equals blank. So we're going to do it both ways. First, we're going to try 9 8 times. Okay, here we go. 9, 18, 27. Oh my gosh, I totally just... Wait, is it 36? No, it's not 36. Wait, it is. No, it isn't. It is. It isn't. Oh, okay, it is 36. 45, 54, 63, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, sweet, one more. And 72. So our answer must be 72, but just to check your answer, I'm going to do it the other way. 8, 9 times. Okay, here we go. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48. How many times have I done it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, sweet, 3 more. 56. Okay, 2 more. 64 plus 8. 72. So we got the same answer. See, 72 are our answers. So see, it's so easy for multiplication. It's just that simple. So now, I know that you don't know it in 2nd grade, but this is my first 27-minute math show. So we're going to be doing this for about 10 more minutes, and then it'll be wrapped up. Alright, let's do our next problem. Do you know how hard it is to be thinking of problems to do? Alright, let's do 7 times 5. Alright, so we're going to do it 7 5 times first. Okay. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35. So our first answer is 35, but let's just check to make sure. 5 7 times. Alright, here we go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Okay, we've done it 5 times. 30, 35. Wow, this strategy is really helping us a lot, and I'm not having any problems with this. See how easy it is to just skip count rather than counting? That's the whole purpose of doing multiplication problems. It's so easy. Alright, so now that we probably got all these division problems in our heads and these multiplication problems in our heads, we're going to start regrouping with multiplication, just like we do with addition. Alright, so let's do 927 times 437. Alright, so here's what it looks like. Alright, so first let's do 7 times 7. Okay, let's just try to memorize in your head. Well, if we have to draw it out, we can. So let's just draw it out real quick. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49. Okay, so the answer is 49. So we're going to put a 9 down and carry over the 4 and circle it. Yep, this is pretty hard, actually, in my opinion. Okay, so 2 times 3, we just have to memorize it. 6. And 6 times 4 equals 24. So we're going to put a 4 down here and then carry over the 2 and circle it. 9 times 4, which equals 36. 36 times 2, Okay, I'm just going to do 36 plus 36. $72. So we're going to just put 7. So we're just going to put a 7. And then next to the 7, we're going to put a comma and then a 2. Wow, that was a little bit easy. So 927 times 437 equals 7,249. Wow. So we could just check our answers real quick. So 7 times 7 equals 49. So we already have 9, carry over the 4. Okay, 6. Yep, 42 and 24. Yep, so this is our answer. Now we're going to do a division one. Division ones are just a little tad pinch hair harder. Okay, so let's do an easy one. 226 divided by 400. Alright, so first let's do 6 divided by 0. How many groups of 0 do you need to get? How many groups of 0 do you need to get to 6? So, the answer is 0. So you're just going to put a 0 down. How many groups of 0 do you need to get to 2? Again, 0. Okay, 4 divided by 2, which equals 2. So, what? Yeah? Sorry. What? I'll be right back, guys. Sorry about that, guys. My dad says that I haven't been texting him. That's because I was making a video, obviously. Okay, let's get back to division. Okay, so how many groups of 2 do you need to get to 4? 2. So that means that 226 divided by 400 equals 200. Wow, that was simple. Alright, so I think that we've pretty much got all those things in our heads right now. So we're going to move on to addition to 1 millions. So let's start. 1 million, whoa, plus, let's see. This is our math problem that we're going to try to figure out. Alright, so first let's start at the 1. 0 plus 0 equals 0. 0 plus 0, 0. 6 plus 0, 6. 2 plus 0, 2. And then we have a 3, and then a comma, and So 1 million plus 2,326,000 equals 3,032,000. Whoa, that was a little bit simple, but let's change it to subtracting. We're gonna subtract those numbers. Alright, so 0 minus 0 equals 0. 0 minus 0 equals 0. We can't do 0 minus 6. So we're going to change that to a 10. 10 minus 6 equals 4. Then we're going to change this to a 0. Cross this out, make it a 10. 10 minus 2 equals 8. Cross this out, make it a 0 again, make it a 10. 10 minus 3 equals 7, comma. So 1 million minus 2,326,000 equals 8,784,000. That's our answer. That is a little bit harder than you might expect. But that is it for my math show today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you have any questions, please comment down below. And I will see you guys as soon as I can. Bye-bye. Stay healthy.